Okay, this is how I make thank you for your order graphics on the go. So the first thing that I do is I actually, when I have parties going on, I'm regularly checking my back office. You should also be getting emails. However, my Zaya email don't work for whatever reason. So I'm always checking my back office, and I just go into my back office on my phone and I go to order history. And then I pull up the order to see, who's placed it. It will have the party ID right here. And for the most part, I know like which party IDs they're coming through, and what event ID. So, or if you have one party coming in, you pretty much know what they're for. But if you need to, you can always go back and reference, which party you're looking at. So for example, I want to shout out this order right here. So I'm going to go to details. I'm going to scroll down and it's going to give me all of the items she purchased, which is super handy. And I'm just going to click and I'm going to hit add to photos, click, add to photos, click, add to photos, click, add to photos. This bra, I will actually probably use a different photo because I feel like this one doesn't show it off in all its glory. And then you can even make a folder on your phone for all your Zaya stuff. So you could move Zaya images into an album, add to album, and I'm going to call this Zaya. I used to have an album on my old phone, but I don't have a new one on this one. So it's kind of handy because, once you accrue a big collection, you can, then just have those photos in the collection. But I like to just go right to the order. It's just easier for me. So I'm going to add these to the Zaya folder as well, add to album, and then I can just click Zaya. Okay, so you don't have to do the adding to the album. So I use a program called Over. You can also use Canva. It's really great. So I'm going to open Over, and I actually have these projects already saved. And so then what I do on the fly is I just click into the project, or sometimes I will duplicate it if I want to keep the background for another party. I try to change the backgrounds for the parties, but I keep everything else the same. So I'm going to show you how I first modify an existing one, and then I'll show you how to make a brand new one. So I modify this one. I'm going to delete, and then I'm going to click image. And then for whatever reason, it doesn't pull up in the photos. So I go to all photos, and then I go to recents. And then all of those items that I just added pull up. And then I can pinch. I'm just pinching with 2 fingers. Pinch and drag. Check. Image. All photos. Recents. Oh, I love this top. Pinch and drag. Check. Image. All photos. Recents. Pinch. Drag. A little more askew. Let's put it this way. No. Okay. That way. And then image. And I think it's that strappy picture. Yeah. So I actually probably have a different image of that saved in here. This is where having a Zaya folder comes in very handy. There it is again, but it's the front. Come on. I could also just go to the website and pull up. It's this one that I'm looking for. Shows off the bra, in my opinion, much better. Okay, and then I'm going to hit check. And then I'm going to export it. And I'm going to hit save and done. I also use this program to create a styled look. So for example, let's say somebody says, ooh, I really like the new blue haystack images. So here's how to create a brand new one. So I'm going to say plus, I'm going to pick a white background. I want it to be square. You can have it wherever you want, but I think square is great. And I'm going to click image, and I'm just going to go and I'm gonna find the leggings that they want. Let's actually say that they like these floral lighten tights, okay? So I'm gonna say, you know what would look great with those floral lighten tights? This outfit. So you can also crop an image directly in here. So I have added that, but I wanna get rid of everything else. So I'm gonna hit crop, custom, and then I'm gonna try to crop out that low inventory thing. I'll actually probably just cover it up. Okay, enter. Check, and we'll just do well that. Let's put it here. Okay, and then I'm going to show that same pink strappy bra. See, you could just scroll down to your Zaya and then pull it up from here, but I am silly and I don't have it in there quite yet. So I'm going to go to recent. And I'm going to pull in the back of the strappy bra because that's what looks so cool. This is a really great way. I end up upselling a lot because people pick out a legging, they're going to want a matching top, you know? And so instead of making them go and search on the site, I will usually, if I know their size, I'll go and I'll make sure that it fits in their size first, because the last thing you want to do is like, look how cute this outfit is, and oh, it's completely out of stock. So that's never fun. And then I usually also pick out like another top, a tank or a sweatshirt or something like that that goes over it. You can also add text. So if you want to like add the, you know, order number or the item number on here, I don't know if that's correct, but you can do that, and then I'll just like put it in the corner so that they can identify the different numbers as well, or sometimes I just leave it blank. So, and it's kind of plain, but I like that they can see like how the outfit would come together, and I usually try to do like leggings on the bottom, the bra on the top, so it kind of looks like it's made together, and then I just export it and I save. Okay, so to show you how to make one of these thank you for your orders, it's similar to how you do the other one. So just start with a white background, check. And then you can go into graphics, and I have the pro version of Over, which I think is like $10 a month. So I don't know if you don't have pro, if it lets you do this, but it's very similar in Canva too, if you know the Canva app. So I'm gonna click backgrounds. There's so many cute ones, but you can see all of these like animal print ones, which I'm like really loving right now. There, I'm gonna expand it. I'm gonna hit check. Then I do a shape and I do a rectangle. And I'm just using my finger to pinch and drag. Check. Text, and I'm gonna write, thank you for, and here's what's pretty cool. I can go to color and I can hit this little dropper and then I can customize it. However, because I like to do this on the fly, you know, I'll do this like while I'm watching a movie with my kids or while I'm, you know, like out and about, because I want to make sure that I'm keeping people engaged in my party. And, you know, I feel like the more that they see other people ordering, then they're more inclined to order. So I want to do these fast. So I like to keep the colors pretty generic. So that way I don't have to modify a lot of stuff. Okay, that's cute. So if you wanted, you don't even have to change the background. You could literally just change like the order picture. And you could add like your logo on here. I don't have my Babe Life logo in here, but I do have my Sarah Marie logo. So logos. Oh, just kidding. I don't have it in there. I think I have it as photos maybe? Favorites? Oh, I don't know. It's in there somewhere. But yeah, you could totally add. You would just add it just like you would an image. So there you go. There's your template. And then you could even like preload a bunch of templates in here to Over, which is cool because it saves it. So now when I go back to Over, I could do this one. I could then like duplicate. Duplicate. And then I could go in here and I could change the background to something else. So if you just wanted to like have things ready at the go, just to save you even that much more time. You could do that. I love this. Boom. Right here is layers, so then I can change this to have it go here. I can delete this one. I don't have to, and then I could go in and I could change the color. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna actually edit. That's what I want to do. Color, dropper, make it that pink. And then I could have this one. So it's just a cool way to be able to do it really fast, while your party is going, especially if your party is really busy. I would have these all preloaded and ready to go. You could even go through and save, the whole, all the Zaya pictures and all that stuff. So it's just really fast. For me, like going to the order, because I obviously am verifying their order, it's a fast way to do it. But you would have all of these backgrounds like ready to go. And so you could create things on the fly.